Let's get to know the Zones of Regulation digital curriculum. The mission of the Zones of Regulation is to empower learners of all ages to understand the full range of their feelings and to identify and apply strategies that support their well-being. In the zones, we learn to categorize feelings and states of alertness into 4 colored zones: blue, green, yellow, and red. In the blue zone, we might feel tired, sick, sad, or just low on energy. The green zone is when we're calm, focused, happy, and feeling in control. The yellow zone shows up with stronger feelings like frustration, worry, excitement, or silliness. And in the red zone, our feelings are at their strongest, like being out of control, furious, terrified, or even overjoyed. This simple framework helps learners understand, communicate about, and regulate their emotions. Once we learn to identify our feelings, we can explore tools to regulate our feelings in each zone. Beyond what you teach, the zones helps to foster a climate where feelings are welcome, regulation is the norm, and well-being thrives.
I've seen meaningful growth in my students' ability to recognize and manage their emotions using the zones of regulation. They now can confidently use terms like green zone or yellow zone to describe their feelings, and their daily check-ins have become part of our classroom routine.
Users of the Zones digital curriculum are sharing their experiences, and it's clear the curriculum is making a positive impact. Our impact data shows that 94% of users saw a positive effect on learner self-awareness, and 93% saw an increase in learner self-management. Our evidence-based Zones of Regulation digital curriculum features ready-to-go interactive presentations with videos and animations, a step-by-step teacher's guide, differentiated activities for learners ages 4 through adult, and a library of visuals.
Everything is ready to go in such an amazing package. This brings the lesson planning and prep to a minimum.
The highlight of the Zones digital curriculum is the interactive presentation, which can easily be projected to a large screen, computer, or tablet. The interactive presentation or slide deck features games, clickable activities, and videos that engage and motivate learners. You'll find a wide variety of differentiated activities for learners at all ages and stages. Everything you need to teach the Zones of Regulation is right at your fingertips, including over 100 newly designed visuals, quick formative assessments, and Zones bridges to connect what you're teaching with families and team members. Beyond school, the Zones is widely taught in clinical practice, home, and community settings.
When I first created the Zones, my goal was to make emotional regulation more accessible for every learner. It's incredible to see how this framework continues to grow and support communities around the world. We're excited for you to become part of our Zones community and bring this work to life in your setting.